Advertising campaign analysis tools. In the world of marketing, data is your treasure trove and KPIs are the keys that unlock its riches. But once you've unearthed these valuable insights, you need the right tools to analyze them effectively. That's where advertising campaign analysis tools come in your arsenal for marketing mastery. Think of it like this. Imagine you're an explorer who's just discovered a hidden cave filled with gold nuggets data. But you don't have a magnifying glass or a pickaxe analysis tools to sift through the dirt and extract the precious metal insights. That's where these tools come in. Here's a treasure chest of some incredible advertising campaign analysis tools that will make you a marketing superhero. 1. Google Analytics, your website's GPS and insight guide. Imagine your website as a vast territory and Google Analytics is your GPS and insight guide. It shows you who's visiting, where they're coming from, and what they're doing on your site. You can see which pages are popular, how long people are staying, and even what devices they're using. It's like having a virtual tour of your website, revealing the hidden gems and potential bottlenecks. Use Google Analytics segmentation feature to explore different groups of visitors like new visitors, returning visitors, and mobile users. This can uncover trends and patterns you might miss with general data. 2. Facebook Ads Manager, your Facebook ad campaign command center. Picture yourself as a Facebook ad mastermind, and Facebook Ads Manager is your command center. It lets you track ad performance, create custom reports, and optimize your campaigns for better results. You can see which ads are generating clicks, leads, and sales and adjust your strategy accordingly. It's like having a control panel for your Facebook advertising empire. Experiment with different ad formats like image ads, video ads, and carousel ads to see which ones resonate best with your target audience. 3. Adobe Analytics, your enterprise-level data analyst team. If you're dealing with a high-volume website or a complex product, Adobe Analytics is like having a team of expert data analysts at your fingertips. It provides in-depth insights into website traffic, user behavior, and marketing campaign performance. You can track user journeys across multiple touch points, understand attribution, and uncover hidden patterns. It's like having a data science superpower. Use Adobe Analytics attribution modeling capabilities to track how customers interact with your brand across different channels and understand which ones are driving conversions most effectively. 4. Google Data Studio, your data storytelling artist. Imagine turning your raw data into captivating stories and presentations. That's what Google Data Studio does. It lets you transform numbers, charts, and graphs into beautiful and informative dashboards and reports. You can create custom visuals, share insights with stakeholders, and even tell compelling data stories. It's like having a personal data artist who can make your numbers sing. Use Google Data Studio's storytelling capabilities to create presentations that showcase your marketing campaign results to stakeholders. You can highlight key metrics, identify trends, and demonstrate the impact of your marketing efforts. 5. Mixpanel, your product usage spyglass. If you have a product, Mixpanel is like having a spyglass into how users are interacting with it. It shows you how people are using different features, where they're getting stuck, and what actions they're taking. You can track user funnels, identify drop-off points, and understand user behavior patterns. It's like having a window into your users' minds, helping you improve your product and boost engagement. Use Mixpanel's funnels feature to track how users are progressing through your product and identify any drop-off points. This can help you improve the user experience and increase conversion rates. 6. Crazy Egg, your website heat map and secret camera. Picture a heat map that shows you where visitors are clicking, scrolling, and focusing on your website. Crazy Egg is like having a secret camera that records every user interaction. You can see which areas are getting the most attention and which ones are being overlooked. This can help you optimize your website design, improve user engagement, and boost conversions. Use Crazy Egg's heat maps to identify areas of your website that are getting the most attention and those that are being overlooked. This can help you optimize your website design and improve user engagement. 7. Hotjar your website heat map and feedback hub. Hotjar is another heat map and session recording tool, but with a focus on user feedback. It lets you see how users are interacting with your website and gather their thoughts and suggestions. You can record user sessions, collect feedback through surveys and polls, and identify areas for improvement. It's like having a feedback hub on your website, helping you understand your users and make data-driven decisions. Use Hotjar's feedback tools to gather qualitative insights from your users, such as why they're abandoning certain tasks or what they're looking for on your website. This can help you identify areas for improvement that you might not have discovered through quantitative data analysis. 8. Optimizely your SEA/B testing science lab. Optimizely is like having a science lab for your marketing experiments. It lets you create and run A/B tests to compare different versions of your website or app and see which one performs better. Start with small, focused experiments. When you're first starting out with A/B testing, it's important to focus on small, targeted experiments. This will help you avoid making major changes to your website or app that could have negative consequences. A/B testing can be a powerful tool for improving your website or app, but it's important to use it wisely. If you make too many changes at once, it can be difficult to determine which changes are actually having a positive impact. By starting with small experiments, you can gradually test different ideas and see what works best. Here are some ideas for small A/B tests you can run with Optimizely. Try different call to action CTA buttons, experiment with different button text, colors, and placements to see which ones get more clicks. Optimize your product page headlines, test different headlines to see which ones generate more sales. Change the layout of your website, try different layouts to see which ones lead to better conversion rates. Make sure your tests are statistically significant. This means that you have enough data to be confident that the results of your test are not due to chance. Use clear and concise hypotheses before you start your test. Clearly define what you want to achieve. This will help you stay focused and avoid making unnecessary changes. Track your results carefully, monitor your test results closely, and make adjustments as needed. By following these tips, you can use Optimizely to run effective A/B tests that will help you improve your website or app and achieve your marketing goals. 9. Google Tag Manager, your website tag organizer and manager. Imagine having a central hub for all your website tags, keeping them organized and easy to access. That's what Google Tag Manager does. It makes it easy to add, manage, and update tracking codes for various marketing tools, such as Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and Twitter ads. You don't need to edit your website code directly, saving you time and effort. Use Google Tag Manager to implement tracking codes for various marketing tools, such as Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and Twitter ads. This can save you time and effort in managing your tags and ensure accurate data collection. 10. Google Search Console, your website's search engine performance checker. Google Search Console is like having a personal search engine performance checker for your website. It shows you how your website appears in Google search results, identifies any issues that might be affecting your ranking, and provides insights into how people are searching for your site. You can see which keywords are driving traffic, which pages are performing well, and even identify potential SEO problems. Use Google Search Console's reporting tools to identify and fix any technical SEO issues that might be affecting your website's ranking and search results. This can help you improve your visibility and attract more organic traffic. These are just a few of the many powerful advertising campaign analysis tools available. The best tool for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Start by identifying your key marketing goals and objectives. Then research and choose tools that can help you track and measure those goals effectively. With the right tools in your arsenal, you can become a data-driven marketing superhero and achieve your marketing goals with confidence.